Greetings, Earthlings, and welcome back to my channel. And here I am at RV Warehouse again for the first little progress report to see how things are coming with the RV. Looks like a lot of other folks are having trouble with their RVs, so we got a full house here today. We'll get you back there and take a look and see what's going on. And I wouldn't expect a whole lot from this trip. Oh wow. Well, I'm gonna tell you what, nothing will make your heart sink. Let's see if I can, I don't know if you can see it from here yet, but nothing will make your heart sink like looking in the garage and seeing what I recognize as the front of my RV. But it certainly looks a little bit different than the last time I seen it. So, and I'm assuming that scrap pile over there is mostly mine. But looks like there is some major work going on. So that is a good sign. We're not going to take that as a bad sign because of the condition. And it is in the building, so we don't have to worry about the weather getting to it. But as you can see, there is a lot of stuff going on here. My goodness. You can see where the dashboard got busted up with the impact. Got a lot of a little bit of work to do on the plywood and putting everything back together with that, and getting all that back together so the caps and everything will fit on it when it gets here. There's a cover off the side of the generator. I see they've got the whole generator pulled out. And it even looks like they might have already done some work on the generator slide out, because that tray, I'm not seeing any bent parts on there like I was before, or maybe that bent part is attached to the bottom of the generator. I'm not sure. But anyway, it's looking promising at this point. So let's take a look over here and see what we got over here. You can see they got to get into a lot of stuff in order to get to the issues, but kind of gives me a good opportunity to see how the thing is built. And I see there's a couple of air conditioning lines that come all the way down to the bottom, and that is a very good idea, because my previous RV, the Monaco La Palma, did not have that, and the water just pretty much dripped right down over the driver's side window, and made it a little bit nasty looking most of the time, because it always seemed like there was water running down through there. We've got the door and the awning and everything pulled off of there. I don't pretend to know what is going on here, but thinking it's probably not a good idea to have a metal object up against the side of it, but you know, I'm sure if it makes a scratch, they'll take care of it. And we can see up here, and he did tell me that my Ring doorbell had fallen off and was on the ground, and it looks like the screws that I had put in there didn't really bite in. It just barely touched the fiberglass there. So there's my doorbell. I'll put that back together once I get it back. Uh-oh, I'm stepping on, or not stepping on, but bumping stuff away from where they had it. I don't want to do that. I'll keep everything where they can find it, where they know where they put it. But as you can see, there's a whole lot of work going on. Oh boy, I hope it's back to work. To my beautiful RV again soon. All right. So that is, it looks like there is a lot. I don't know what is in the dog kennel. I guess a light of some sort. But it looks like the reservoir is also damaged over there for the, I think that's the windshield washer reservoir. So, but still got a bunch of stuff going on. whole lot of stuff, all the stuff off the dashboard they had to take out. And I got to figure out how to get back here and get a couple of things out of here. As it turns out, everything I own is in the camper, so I take this time while I'm on this little journey to grab a couple things that I've noticed that I needed along the way, and also to check and see if I got any battery power left. Oh, good. I'm still doing good on battery. So, all right. So that's about it for this episode. So remember, when camping, take only photos and leave only footprints. See you next time.